I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is my Monday, so happy Monday. I think you guys will be seeing this vlog on Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I'm just gonna be at home cooking dinner. So if you are a returning subscriber, I always appreciate you. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for being here. Please consider subscribing, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's jump into the video. Just went grocery shopping, and I'm going to set everything up, get everything out of bags, put it all on the counter, and give you guys a grocery haul. Okay, the girls are home. I picked them up from school right after I went to Walmart, and they're all in their tablets. So this is a Walmart grocery haul. I got 2 Oreo covered caramel apples. I got some Frosty the Snowman marshmallows for their school lunches. They're cold lunches. These are super cute. They're all individually packaged. I got some milk, turkey pepperoni for cold lunch. The main reason I went to Walmart today is to get stuff to make Zuppa Toscana for dinner in a little bit, and then also because the girls wanted cold lunch today and we didn't have very much food for cold lunch, so I restocked and re-upped on cold lunch stuff. I got Oreos, orange juice, heavy whipping cream for the Zuppa Toscana, potatoes for the Zuppa Toscana. I like using yellow potatoes or red potatoes. I got some country potato bread, Mommy, and some multi-grain bread. What, honey?
Why does it say my name right now?
Because it's a surprise. I got some Cool Whip zero sugar for some cookies that I'm gonna try and make in this vlog for the kids, and some original Cool Whip. I got some Stoke cold brew coffee, which I'm going to make for a little afternoon pick-me-up. I got some strawberry cake mix for the cookies that I'm gonna make. They're only 3 ingredients. They're literally strawberry cake mix, Cool Whip, and an egg, and that's it. And some Bluey yogurt for Max, some Ritz cheese crackers for the girls' cold lunches. Walmart now has the 23-gram protein Oikos Pro vanilla yogurt. Before they only had the 17 grams of protein. Now they carry the 23 grams of protein, so that's super good for weight loss and keeping up on your protein intake. Plus, I love yogurt. I got some maple, what is this? Maple bacon, and then some thick cut black label bacon that I'm just gonna sprinkle some maple brown sugar on. I got some kale for the Zuppa Toscana, an onion, a yellow onion for the Zuppa Toscana, Hershey's Kisses strawberry ice cream cone for the cookies that I'm going to make. So they're 4 ingredients. So they are some strawberry cake mix, an egg, Cool Whip, and then optional to top them with a Hershey Kiss. I got some garlic knots. These are so good. You guys, are 3 cheese garlic knots hand-tied to eat with the Zuppa Toscana. I got 2 bags of those because we'll eat 1 bag today and then 1 bag tomorrow. My son's coming over for dinner, Grayson. So we'll have Zuppa Toscana tonight and then leftovers tomorrow. I got some Caesar salad, chicken broth for the Zuppa Toscana, some Lunchables for the kids' cold lunches, and then some dippers, some caramel apple dippers for the kids' cold lunches. And then a huge bag of Doritos plus some blueberries. You guys, I don't know how all of this was $160, but it was. Like, I've got to stop shopping at Walmart because I don't see how this was all $160. But it was. I didn't even get any meat. Jeez.
We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The 2 of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far.
So I'm browning up some ground beef and then some sweet Italian sausage. You can use spicy Italian sausage, mild Italian sausage. I like the contrast between the regular ground beef and the sweet Italian sausage.
Promise you we will be alright if it's you and I, you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright if it's you and I, you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I.
A lot of people make the zuppa Toscana in sections, and I just throw all mine in the pot. So I'm sauteing the onions, the potatoes, the ground beef, and the sausage all at one time. I'm adding a hefty amount of California garlic powder, any kind of garlic powder, not garlic salt, garlic powder will do. And then you can add your own salt to taste. Pepper. Breaking up the ground sausage as it cooks and the ground beef as it cooks. And then it kind of crumbles on its own once it gets cooked more. You guys smell the house? Smells good, huh? One of the kids' favorite meals is zuppa Toscana. So we try to make it a couple times a month, even in the summertime. There's nothing better than a home-cooked, nice, homemade stew in the middle of winter. I'm now gonna add chicken broth or chicken bouillon in water. Yum, I'm so excited to eat. This is like the easiest soup to make. I'm gonna add 2 of these. These are 32 ounces. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of water. With what?
Doing the phone.
What phone?
And then that video that I did.
Oh yeah, he was all concerned.
I didn't notice he looked and he goes. And then he looked this way, he goes.
He was scared in the morning.
Okay, so this is boiling. And I'm gonna add heavy cream. This is about 2 cups. I might add a little bit more, depending on the thickness and the consistency of the soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some more. That's Lee, everybody. He just got off work. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more cream. So now I'm adding the kale. I did bagged instead of fresh because I didn't have any fresh. And I'm adding this, I'm adding a lot. It doesn't wilt down and shrink down like spinach or any other greens. This kind of keeps its form and stays intact with its size. So I'm kind of mindful of how much I put in, but we do like a lot of kale in this household. So put in a lot of kale. I probably put in like 3 cups. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning, put the lid on, and let it simmer for the next 20 minutes, and then it'll be done. Just made a little Walmart salad. These 3 cheese garlic knots are so good. I buy them a couple times a month if we're making like spaghetti or anything Italian or soup. So bomb. Mind games. Like games that make your mind smart.
Wait, I want to do math games. Thinking.
I'll do these for 4 minutes and they'll be good to go.
It's amazing.
I topped everyone's with Parmesan cheese, salad. Oh, and I forgot my roll. And we're gonna eat. So Lee went home. All the kids are sleeping. Maxwell's on the couch. I need to transfer him to his bed. But I want to give the girls and Max a sweet treat when they wake up in the morning. So I'm gonna surprise them with some Christmas cookies, and they're pink Christmas cookies. So I'm gonna make them right now. They're only 4 ingredients and they're super easy. And yeah, let's get baking. Okay, so all we're gonna need is some strawberry cake mix, a tub of Cool Whip, some Hershey Kisses, any kind you like, and 1 egg. All you do is mix together the whole tub of Cool Whip, 1 egg, and the cake mix, and you have your cookie dough. Mix it all in. I'm gonna bust up the egg first. All of it. Mix it all up. And it's supposed to turn into a luxurious cookie dough. We're gonna bake it for 15 minutes at 350. And we're gonna use our cookie spatula, our ice cream scoop, to scoop it all on in rounds on our cookie sheet. These are gonna spread out, so we need probably like 6 cookies per cookie sheet. This is kind of looking like cloud slime. It's all light and fluffy. Dang, this is a workout. Dang, my arm hurts. I'm excited to see how these are gonna turn out. I'm excited to see how these are gonna turn out. Okay, I'm gonna bake them for 15 minutes on 350. In 15 minutes. I got the strawberry ice cream cone kisses, the Hershey Kisses. I'm going to start unwrapping them. I think I'm gonna need 12 of them because I think this is gonna yield 12 cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap these. Okay, these are done. Now I'm just plopping this in the middle. These smell so good, you guys. They smell like strawberries, like strawberry shortcake. This is the next morning, and look how big and thick these cookies are, you guys. They're the size of my palm. They are amazing. They remind me of crumble cookies, and the kids loved them this morning. I just halved them up and gave them to the kids, and they're moist and soft. If you guys like sugar cookies, if you like strawberries, definitely make these. All right, it is the next morning, and I'm sitting here editing this vlog with Maxwell crawling all over me. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.